What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Savvy Stay, and I wanted to bring you along and show you how easy it is to personalize a shipping package. I started doing this as well when I started to ship my cake pop, and it was just so much fun and just so easy to do, to just add those extra touches that could really make somebody smile. It's just a whole experience when they open it up, especially when they don't know that you're doing this. It's awesome. So I just wanted to bring you along and show you how easy it is to just personalize your next package. So any shipping box, wrapping paper of your choice, glue stick, and scissors and shipping tape. So come along and let's see how easy it is to get this done. This is the wrapping paper I chose to use today. It's so cute. It's very festive with the sprinkles, rainbow sprinkles. I have a butter knife, some shipping tape, and a couple of glue sticks. First thing you want to do is run your butter knife through here and get that detached. So I'm gonna roll out my wrapping paper and just measure the amount that I need to the length of the box and just cut off any excess. Set that aside. I just go through roughly with the glue stick at first, and then I come back and add more into the spots that I need more. So then I lay the wrapping paper out. Then I just smooth it out. Then I go through with my scissors and just trim off any of the excess. Then you go in through the creases and just make a little slit so that the box can still fold. Flip it back over. I like to put a little bit of my glue stick, and then I like to tuck it in. I like to tuck that piece in. And then I go through with a piece of tape. I'll go in with my glue stick again and just peel this just to see what needs a little bit more. So that is it, you guys. Too easy, so fun, makes the gift so much better. It's all about presentation, and you just add your special touches to it and show them that you just love them and that you care, and you took the extra time to make their gift special. One thing I learned about being overseas is how important mail was and how much it boosts morale. So just the little things, as far as just taking the extra few minutes to wrap this box, can really make someone's day that much more special. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.